What's going on, guys? Today we're unboxing the Cygnus LED 3-inch pod lights from Lightfox. These are made for off-roading and overlanding, so I'll be installing them on my rig. So let's go check out what's inside the box. Alright, first up, the packaging. Nothing fancy, but looks solid, so you're confident that the product inside is well protected on transit. So let's go ahead and open the box. First thing you see are clear lens covers or clear covers. You got your user manual and warranty. You got your tools. And you got your pod lights, 3-inch pod lights. Right there. You also get a couple of lens that you can switch for your lights. So each pod lights has the aluminum die-cast housing. The lens are made out of polycarbonate. It has this deep cooling fins on the side, and it has a matte black finish. So the feel of it, it's compact and it's a bit heavy, so you know it's heavy duty. So this pods puts about 3,300 lumens. It has an IP68 and 69K waterproof rating. They are shockproof, dustproof, and it has a 50,000 hours of life. So it's great for ditch lighting or corner lighting. They only draw a couple of amps, so no worry on draining your battery. But though I'm super curious how they perform at night, so looking forward to that. Overall, first impression of this unit, it's very solid build, clean design. It has a great price point. So only left to do is installing it. So stick around and some real world night testing. Just pretending that he's installing the light, but actually this guy. I use them to light up the area while setting up, cooking, or hanging out. The white spot beam gives me focus brightness, and the yellow lens softens things up when I don't want glare. I used the white light when I needed brightness inside the camper, like cooking or organizing gear. The amber mode is softer, easier on the eyes, and doesn't attract bugs. With the dimmer, I can adjust it from cozy glow to full brightness, depending on the situation. Together, they make a great gear to light up your camp. One that lights up outside, and the other one is a light bar that you can use for inside your camper. Whether I need clean white light or soft amber, I've got options that don't overpower the campsite. Bunker Indust have sent me two lights to feature. One is the Lightfox 3-inch LED pods. It's a 3-inch compact light that throws one lux at 1100 feet and it has 3200 lumens. Another one is the interior lights from Bunker Indust, giving you a very homey feel when you have those lights on your camper. I've had the Cygnus 3 LED pods quite a while, and I could say that those lights are amazing. It's a game changer. At night when I have to take out my dogs to go do their business, I turn it on and I can see everything. Now, going with the interior lights that I mentioned earlier, it is nice. I mean, it gives you that homey feeling. It's linkable because you can get it like how many strip of lights you want to have, and it's also easy to install and it's dimmable. That's the best part of it. So check out Bunker Indust for those lights, and it's OBD approved. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more overlanding gear tests and adventures. And let me know, would you run the pods as ditch lights or like me as side camp lights?